In the lively town of Playfulburg, where laughter bounced around like bouncing balls, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were ready for a day of energetic adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and sparkling eyes, had an exciting idea, a game called Playfulburg Sock Matching Relay. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Playfulburg, Fluffly wagged his tail and spread a pile of mixed-up socks at one end of the room. The friends were thrilled, ready for the sock-matching challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned the room into a socktastic playground. The Playfulburg sock-matching relay was ready to begin. Dividing into two teams, Team Sock Hoppers and Team Sock Jumblers, the friends eagerly awaited the signal from Fluffly. With a bounce and a wiggle, Fluffly declared, "On your marks, get set, sock match!" The children, with giggles and grins, raced to the pile of socks to find matching pairs. Each team had a basket at the other end of the room, waiting to be filled with perfectly matched socks. Benny, with his speedy hands, grabbed a sock and raced back to his team's basket. Zoe, with her keen eyes, spotted a matching sock and hopped back with excitement. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, found a pair and giggled all the way to the basket. Lila, with her eyes shining like stars, searched for a perfect pair of socks. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. "Hop back with the matching socks!" Lila giggled, hopped back with joy, and dropped the matching socks into her team's basket. The friends erupted in cheers, their laughter creating a symphony of sock-hopping delight. With each round, Fluffly, the sock referee, added more socks to the pile, making the relay more challenging and fun. The children hopped, ran, and giggled their way through the sock-matching madness, each round bringing new surprises and matching triumphs. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Playfulburg sock-matching relay a success. The friends gathered around their baskets, celebrating their teamwork and sock-matching skills. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the room into a cozy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their sock-matching escapade. As the sun set in Playfulburg, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of teamwork and playful challenges. The Playfulburg sock-matching relay became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and sock-matching fun. With dreams of more sock-matching adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the lively town of Playfulburg. In the cheerful town of Playville, where laughter echoed like bouncing balls, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were ready for a day of playful adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and twinkling eyes, had a marvelous idea, a game called Playville Mirror Mirror. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Playville, Fluffly wagged his tail and paired up the children to stand facing each other. The friends were excited, ready for the mirror magic challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned the town square into a mirror haven. The Playville Mirror game was ready to begin. Each pair of children, with smiles on their faces, faced each other, eager to start the mirror mimicry. With a twirl and a hop, Fluffly declared, "Mirror, mirror, let the fun reflect." The children, with giggles and grins, took turns being the leader and follower. Benny, with his hands in the air, made a funny expression, and Zoe, his partner, mirrored it perfectly. Giggly Gus, with his wiggly dance, led the way, and Lila, his partner, giggled as she mirrored his moves. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. Now, mirror a silly animal pose. The children burst into laughter as they mimicked each other's elephant stomps, bunny hops, and frog leaps. Playville echoed with the sounds of joy and playful mirror magic. With each round, Fluffly, the mirror maestro, encouraged the children to express themselves with funny faces, silly dances, and imaginative movements. The pairs of friends took turns being the leader and follower, creating a symphony of mirrored joy. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Playville mirror game, a success. The friends gathered in the center of the town square, sharing stories of their mirror magic adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cozy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their mirror mimicry escapade. As the sun set in Playville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of expressions and creative play. The Playville mirror game became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and mirrored fun. With dreams of more mirror magic adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the cheerful town of Playville.